Hello children, Priya Miss is here with an interesting story, Water in the Wild. Objective: to read and comprehend a story. Children, this story is about different methods of surviving in the wild. Methods of surviving मतलब जीवित रहने के तरीके. It is very difficult to survive in the jungle. All the animals struggle for survival. Sometimes they do not get anything to eat and drink. It is very difficult to get water to drink for animals in summer season. There are two animals in this story, a buffalo and a piglet. The pig's baby is called Piglet. This is a buffalo. It is one of the most useful animal for humans. Buffalo gives us milk. You all have seen black buffalo. Now look at this white buffalo. It is mostly seen in America. Now let's understand the meanings of the new words from this story. Vacation means holiday. Excited means eager. Approach means come near or reach. Hip means stalk. Dewdrops means ओस की बूंद. मराठी में से दव थेंब ऐसे कहते हैं. Squeeze means press or wrap. Stump means a bottom part of a tree. Tied means wrap मतलब बांधना. Children, water is present all around us. Let's see how the piglet and buffalo find water in their surrounding when they were enjoying their holidays. Listen the story carefully. A piglet and a buffalo lived in a forest. They were best friends. One day, they decided to go for a vacation. They were very excited. They had never gone outside their forest. This would be their first holiday. Yay! They started walking from their homes, playing, eating and drinking on the way. By the time they reached the end of the forest, it was night. They slept there and started walking further the next morning. Soon, both of them grew hungry and thirsty. Piglet's mummy had taught him where to find water before he left for his vacation. His mummy had said, if you can't find plants or other food, find out if humans stay close by. Wherever humans beings live, there will be food. And the piglets saw a village in the distance. As they approached the village, they found fresh vegetable peels heaped up. The pig and buffalo had their fill and then walked forward. They were now walking on the short grass. There were no trees here. They lay down on the soft grass to sleep in the night. The buffalo was thirsty when he woke up. He asked Piglet for help. The piglet quickly tied up some grass around his feet and started running on the grass, which was heavy with dewdrops. Soon the grass on his feet was laden with water from the dewdrops. He took it off, squeezed the grass, and pouring out came the water for the buffalo. The buffalo thanked the piglet and away they went on their way. Next time, when Piglet was thirsty, he knew what to do. He followed a trail of ants to a hole in a tree because his mummy had said that ants will lead you to water hidden in the trees. This time he needed Buffalo's help to get the water out of the tree. Next was the bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoots are famous for becoming storehouses of rainwater. So, whenever you see bamboo shoots, remember water is right there. So, that is where Buffalo found water next time. They saw a lot of new places, different kinds of plants, new animals, and made lots of new friends. After a few days of playing with their new friends, they decided to go back home. Their last water stop was near the banana plants. They broke the stalk of the banana plants and left some part of the stump in the ground. In some time, water collected on it. They drank their fill and went back to their families. They enjoyed their holiday together. Children, this was the story. In this story, we have seen how did they fulfill their need of water. The piglet could find the water because he heard all the instructions carefully given by his mother. So children, you should also listen carefully whenever your elders tell or give some instructions. Water is present all around us. Through this story, we came to know that where all water is found. Let's recap where the piglet and the buffalo found water and food. First of all, they found fresh vegetable peels heaped in the village. At night, they slept on the soft grass. Then, they got water from dewdrops. To get the water from dewdrops, the little piglet tied up grass around his feet. Soon the grass on his feet was laden with water from the dewdrops. You can see dewdrops early morning on the short grass. In this way, the piglet collected water and gave it to the buffalo. The piglet found water on the short grass and in the tree. When the piglet became thirsty, he remembered his mummy had said that ants will guide you to water hidden in the tree. So, the piglet followed the ant line to draw the water. And with the help of buffalo, he got the water out of the tree. Next time, the buffalo found water from bamboo shoot. At the end, their last water stop was near the banana plants. Buffalo broke the banana plant and left some part of the stump in the ground. Water collected on it. They drank and went back to their families. They both learned from each other where all water is found. Also, they helped each other during their difficulties. The piglet learned and understood that he can get water from bamboo shoot and banana plants, which he was not knowing. Children, do you know our great soldiers also face many difficulties to find water, sometimes in some areas. So, they also do the same to get water. Dewdrops, bamboo shoot, banana plant, these are real life examples of spaces from where armies stuck in the wild find water. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Take care.